Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark MB2236 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset fax settings on this device. To do it, just open Settings, scroll down. Find Device here, then scroll down, find Restore Factory Defaults. Scroll down and find your Restore Fax settings. If you don't want to lose all your settings, just click Restore Fax settings. Let's click Restore. I will not do it now because I don't want to lose my fax settings. I just will show you how to do it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.